Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show how I cook Chives Shabhale, and I've already given a link below in the description box how I cook chives momo, so you can check it later whenever you like. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out any of my upcoming video in the future. Tangmalo yange jewdela ning tapane pe mangbo tashidele ye tiri nige de Kyurze gi Shapale sai karsinzina ni nige de kaze Kyurze gi momo sen ba ndi nyomdo la ni Kyurze Shapale nyomdo se the video di nyomdo lan tanda lu she also kesi Kyurze momo gi link dan and the description box nang la desha. Okay, then stay tuned. Sangma lo to new yue there. Whoa, mountain chives is grown in Swiss so much, nobody is using it, so I thought to use it, at least don't get waste. Dela Kyurze pe maunke shara rigi Kyurze reti ani suchi ki pheju tangmendo ani samson de tringa ran Kyurze khaji momo da Shabale da karina changma susha osumso ani ngara ji kuchresha di kowe ni nangza le ki shape mamguri ngala ra. And today I'm going to cook chives, mountain chives Shapale. Stay tuned.
Okay, yeah, Shapale, Shapale deo, Shapale, Shapale deo, Shapale, Shapale deo, Shapale deo, Shapale deo, Shapale, Shapale deo, Shapale, Shapale deo, Shapale, Shapale deo. Calling you Martin Shapale deo. Rogo de ran calling you Martin ran Shapale deo Nunda. Nye jam zgmeda tobu ma Shapale so nye midinda sabuda chumuyu jambuda chakuyu ganguyu juni bo mangjela danguyu ru yago jenyu yago jete ru ame kalnye ne yago serayu.
I'm taking a 300 gram of all-purpose flour, 2 gram salt, teaspoon of salt, and 150 ml of water. Millimeter getting up to chuchara. The dough need to be not very soft, it has to be hard. And tushi dite shitapu zira. Close the lid. Take a 500 grams of minced meat, and now clean the chives and start cutting. Here I'm not cutting too fine, you can cut it very fine. So kesi round so ship to bena ship no ringina ngara delanga ship bet to kime. Now put this in the minced meat the gangza ani shablalu, and add a 2 tablespoons of salt. Add a 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive ginum lura, and mix very well. Yakpo chini tete yakutang. Add a bit of pepper, Erma lura. Here I'm using a Szechuan pepper. and then I'll in Erma and then mix it well again. Go into the watching tang. Now take the dough to shidilin and start making a round medium ball. Ani tushidi gogo sura ani paledo and try making a flat round shape bread. How much big you like, you can use it however you like. So I'm making a round medium flat bread shape bread. Yeah, and one more, you have to make one more shape of round flat bread, like you're making a what do you call like a flat bread. Same like that, you can just make a shape. Palido sura. Today here I'm going to show you two different kind of shapale. One is like a half. This one is you just have to add the mix of meat in half of it and just fold it like this and start pressing it together. Three the shape lana di ni sugura chikti in the chega lusha ani kabdu in the nagani sugur chikde. And the other one is like you join two shape of flat bread together, fill the meat all inside and then join the bread together to fold from the side. Ani palichinji ni sira dibla kanza shakang ani jala de in the chini kabdu nemgi chi. I have already heated the oil. Num thau su samba. Num di nge tishma du pejtang me kasna dipet ya du num ge chola du mare ani subu lage ya ko rani shapale ge pe shimbu chaidu. Yeah, I'm not using too much of oil. This much shallow fry is the best. And it is very good for our health because you're not using too much of oil and you're not wasting too much of oil also. So this is the best way to make shapale. All of my friends like this, and then they asked me how do you make shapale, and then I said I cook like this. This is my style. And now shapale is ready. I will put in description box the sauce, this Tibetan chili sauce soon. Enjoy the meal. Shalanya bunango. Good appetite. Kesi round so the channel del sawa inarwa ani subscribe chiruchi jella round so video ani round so video couple tayo re chela subscribe chela muich pinera do mare kazanga motion kaji logemba kashiwa kunzogi subscribe chi lagaya muite ore samgyosare muich pinera do mare subscribe china rangi the dingsha de la ni rangi support chore ni peba sangwalo subscribe chirochi. Yeah, I was just telling, like I have few of my old friends when I say to subscribe to my channel when you like the video, they're scared because they think if they subscribe to this channel they have to pay some money or some fees or something. So there is no fees has to pay. It is all free. You're just supporting this channel.